Today's word is elude. It means to evade or escape from a danger, enemy, or pursuer, typically in a skillful or cunning way. To fail to be attained or understood by. Here are two examples using this word. The fugitive managed to elude the police for weeks by moving from one safe house to another. The solution to the complex math problem continued to elude the students despite their best efforts. Some synonyms and antonyms to help you understand the word better. Synonyms are evade, avoid, escape. Antonyms are confront, encounter, face. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell icon for more daily vocabulary words.